back to the Sweet Fam, guys. Today I'll be making a drink, and it is going to be Jamaican strong back drink slash peanut punch slash Guinness punch. So basically the ingredients that I'm using, guys, will be covering all these description. So it's very easy to make, very delicious, and I want to share this recipe with you guys. So just stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that I'll be working with today. So I've got some peanuts here, raw peanuts. I've got a packet of oats, some ground cinnamon, condensed milk, ground nutmeg. I've got an Irish mash here as well, guys, supplicant, Guinness. So if you haven't, well, if you can't get hold of a supplicant, you can always use a nutriment, which I've got one here, but because I got the supplicant, I'm going to work with that, guys. So let's get mixing. Okay guys, so I've got half cup of peanuts here. Okay, and then I'm going to be using the supplicant. So I'm going to pour all of that in. Okay, I'm going to be pouring in the Irish mash. I'm gonna put in about quarter bottle of this Guinness. Okay guys, so I did pour off a bit of my Guinness and the supplicant because I put in a bit too much because I'm only blending in this today. So to go forward, I'm just gonna put a bit of ground nutmeg, so a pinch of nutmeg, guys, a pinch of cinnamon, also going to be adding some vanilla, guys. So I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I've got a packet of oats here as well, guys. When you add this oats in, it gives it a really nice flavor. And it also gives it body, makes it thick. So I'm just gonna blend that out now. So guys, I'm going to blend that for about 4 minutes because I want the peanuts to be smooth. So when you have in your drink, it's just delicious and smooth. But if you want a bit of crunch in it while you have in your drink, you can blend it for less. Off. And serve this, guys. See how thick this is, guys. Very lovely, guys. very thick and delicious. Please try this recipe and let me know how it came out for you. Leave a feedback and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, guys. Okay guys, so let's taste this drink. Very delicious, guys. And this drink can be, well, you can have this drink as a meal, as it's very heavy with the peanut. It has slow releasing energy, and of course the suffragin has a lot of minerals and stuff that's good for your calcium. Also the Guinness is good for you as well, guys, and also it gives you your body stamina and strength, guys. So this is a very, well, healthy drink for you, and very nutritious. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next vlog.